Next is vermicompost. It is a compost that is made up of earthworms. And the green manure, the plants that grow along with the main crop and later get stored into the soil by plowing is called as green manure. And what are the causes of diseases in plants? The causes of diseases in plants are pathogens such as bacteria and fungi.
Next. Tell her. Ilara, Siddha no Ilara. Tell her.
What is meant by condition? What is meant by condition? The behavior which are not to be learned is called condition. For example, the plants or animals can be conditioned
Slow down చేయాలంటే.
to certain things.
Okay.
Grazing the sheep to get an unpleasant. What do you mean by animal behavior? Animal behavior is scientific study to interaction of each
Hey, don't talk.
and living with each other and with the environment. What is diseases and defect of the eyes? The main diseases and defect of the eyes is xerophthalmia, myopia, night blindness, glucose, and color blindness.
Next.
What is meant by
Don't talk. Don't repeat. Why do you repeat? When you have time, you have to recite me.
What is meant by instant behavior? Instant behavior are behavior that not needed to be learned. They are inborn behaviors. They are complex, like making nest by birds, choosing mates, and formation of groups for their protection. Reflexes are also called as instant behavior. How to increase the food production? To increase the food production, we want to increase the area of cultivated land, increasing production in exiting land, developing high yield varieties, etc. What is meant by Panchagavya? It is also natural value. The main ingredients of Panchagavya are milk, curd, ghee, dung, and urine of the cow. Mix cow dung and cow ghee. Settle it for 4 days. On 5th day, add urine, milk, curd, and ghee of the cow. Also add kalu coconut water and sugarcane juice to the mixture, and then add banana paste. Settle it for 10 days. Steam it morning and evening. Then we will get Panchagavya. 3% of Panchagavya is very useful to growing in high yield varieties. This is also used as food for hens and fishes in ponds.
Okay.
In size, centrals are absent, cell wall is present, Michaels are present. What is animal cell? Animal cells are smaller in size. Smaller in size. Cell wall is absent. Centralis are absent. Protozoa and igloo. So the other statement, bat is not a bird, it is a mammal. The other statement is it is not a bird, it is a mammal. It is a mammal like other mammals.
Don't talk.
Like other mammals, including ourselves, bats also have hair and fur on their bodies. They are warm-blooded animals. When a baby bat born, mother feeds its mother's milk.
Can music become noise sometimes? Music is a pleasant sound and noise is an unpleasant sound. Yes, music can become noise because when it being louder, which can be not identified or described by our ears. Least sources of noise pollution is harmful in your surroundings. Major source of noise pollution is in traffic. Vehicles were stuck in traffic. Sada mukkulaki.
Don't talk. Hey, don't laugh.
The silencers of vehicle and even in construction activities it is harmful to us. Explain in what ways noise pollution is harmful to humans. Noise pollution are harmful for humans because it causes hearing loss and it can disturb our sleeping and some health issues. Your parents are going to buy a house.
they have been offered one in
First
the
read the question, then you will have, without seeing the book, you will have to tell answer.
okay, sir.
Hmm.
Your parents are going to buy a house.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Your parents are going to buy a house. They have been offered one in the roadside and other in 3 lanes of the from the roadside. Which house would your parents will choose? I would choose 3 lanes house because it is away from the roadside. It can if it is
Next, Ajay, no.
if our house in roadside, it causes noise pollution and it can affect our health. So I would choose 3 lanes of next. Lightning and thunder take place in the sky at the same time and at the
Without
same
seeing the reader.
questions are
Ah.
questions are.
Hmm.
Lightning is seen easier and thunder is here later. Can you explain why? Light travels faster than the sound. The speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. And the speed of the sound is in 343 meters per second.
Meters per second. Okay.
Meters per
Next. In water.
There is no only light.
5,100
5,100
meter
meters
per second. 5,100 meter per second.
What is frequency? The number of vibrations produced by the object per second time is called frequency. Write differences between audible sound and inaudible sound. The frequency range between the 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, which can be heard by our human ears, is called as audible sound. Inaudible sound. The frequency range is less than 20 Hz or more than 20,000 Hz.
Why do you talk? Who is talking?
Which cannot be heard by human ears are known as inaudible sounds. Thank you.
Which are required by the plants in large amount are called macronutrients, like phosphorus,
Say aloud.
phosphorus, oxygen.
Hmm.
How do plants get nutrition? Plants get nutrition from air, water, and soil. From air, oxygen, carbon and water, hydrogen, oxygen. From soil, nitrogen, phosphorus, etc. Compare the manure and fertilizers in maintaining the soil. Manure is prepared.
Second question.
Manure is prepared by the decomposition of animal excrete and plants.
Tell me as fast as you can.
Decomposition of plants and the organic matter is which enrich the plant's nutrition is called manure. Fertilizers are used by farmers for proper descent.
Switch off that light.
What factors may be responsible for loss of grain during the storage? Biotic factors like insects, rodents and bacteria. Biotic factors like temperature, moisture at the particular place. How do different between capturing fishes, culture and aquaculture? Capturing fishes.
Fourth question. Is it fourth question? Is it fourth question or third?
Fifth.
Fifth. Okay. Recite me.
This technique in which the fishes are captured in water like seas, rivers, canals, etc. Marine culture. Culture in fishes captured by in marine water. Aquaculture involved in culturing in both freshwater and marine water. What are the benefits of cattle farming? The benefits of cattle farming are cattle farming is used in agriculture purpose. Generally, the good quality seeds are used in cattle farming. Milk and meat production by animals.
9th class finished. Next 8th class. Start.
For the first time, it was year 1665. Robert Hood, a British scientist, he thought the cork is reassembled structure of honeycomb. Many organisms are. He thought it was made up of very small cavities.
Raise your head. Don't look at the
It
answer.
was made up of very small cavities.
You didn't get properly.
The cork
It doesn't come.
The cork is reassembled structure of honeycomb. honeycomb.
Hmm.